Let us create a layered donut chart. This again is a very common and popular visual. It looks like this. Looks really impressive and it's just like a donut chart. The difference here is that it shows you a completion percentage. So there is only a part of the arc which is colored while the rest of it is not colored. Let's see how we can do this on Excel. So for these 5 subcategories, I already have the achievement percentage. What we want to do is find the balance. So I call this the balance to go. And this would be nothing but 1 minus the number, which gives us 20, 40, 60, 10, and 80. Obviously, if the number changes, then the balance changes correspondingly. We select both of these columns. We create a chart, go to chart type, select pie, and then we have our donut chart, but we don't select the first one. You want to select the second one. Now let's see what is happening. There are 4 layers. So there are 4 concentric circles. Each one of these circles, or rather 5 concentric circles, each one of these circles is representing a subcategory. And then there are 2 colors. The blue is the achievement and the orange is the balance to go. So I can click on the orange one, go to format, shape fill, and then make it white. Just like that. We do the same thing for all of the other orange bars as well. So let me do that once again. We click on the orange bar, make it white. We select the second orange bar, we make it white. The same thing with the third one and the fourth one and the fifth one. So I hope you're able to see where we are headed with this. What we managed to do is that even though the bars are there, we can't see, or rather the arc is there, we can't see it because we have colored it white like this. Finally, what we want to do is to color these separately as well. So we can select the chart and on chart design, go to change color and we can choose different colors like this. Now, right now the colors are not changing differently for all the circles, not a problem. I can just select these independently and then even though it takes a little bit of effort, it's definitely worth the effort. So if you notice, I'm choosing every single subcategory one by one and putting a different color for each one of them. Let's make this, what color have we not used? So let's make it gray and maybe the last one can become a red. Excellent. So we have 5 circles. Each circle shows us a completion percentage. And what happens now is that, let's say appliances which are at 60% grows to 90%, you will immediately notice that the gray arc increases by this much. If you select the chart and you click on legend, the legend unfortunately here will only show you the achievement and the balance to go, but there's not really much that you can do about it. Usually when you do it, you can keep the legend manually and keep it yourself. For example, I can copy these, put it here, and then we can color these cells in the same color which we have chosen on the chart, right? So if you notice, fasteners is red, which is the one in the center. So we choose the same color here. And then appliances can be gray. Then we have binders, which is yellow. We have accessories, which is the shade of brown. And finally, we have furnishings, which is the last one, which is the green color. So it does take a little bit more effort, but you can always keep a legend like this by putting in the colors manually, and you get a very nice layered donut chart like this.